Hello, dear students. Today we will continue our reading Unit 8, titled Benjamin and the Paper Trial. In this part, we have four words. The words are proof, accusation, documents, and produce. First word, accusation. Accusation. Accusation is a noun. Look at the picture. Everyone's pointing at this man. They're accusing him. It's an accusation. So an accusation is a claim that someone has done something wrong or illegal. So when someone says that someone else has done something wrong or illegal, that's an accusation. For example, the police are investigating serious accusations of wrongdoing. To say that he robbed the bank was a serious accusation. The antonym for accusation is innocence. Second word is document. Document. Document is a noun. Look at the picture. What's a document? Paper, right? A paper. So a piece of paper with information written on it. That's a document. For example, Mr. Thomas had a whole stack of documents with him. I filled out the documents for a bank loan. What's a synonym for document? Paper. Next word is proof. Proof. That's a noun. What's a proof? This is a lawyer in court and he is showing people a knife. That's the proof. So a proof is something presented in support of the truth of a claim. For example, she presented a proof that she had not cheated. The woman had no proof that she is innocent. What's the synonym for proof? Clue. And what's the antonym? Disproof. Next word is produce or produce. Okay, so produce or produce is a noun. Look at the picture. What are these? These are vegetables, right? A lot of vegetables and also some fruit. Okay, so I can say that these vegetables and fruits are the produce of the garden. So what's a produce? A produce is something produced by physical effort. For example, our garden had a great produce this month. This book is a produce of my life efforts. The synonym for produce is product. Let's continue reading in page 122. The accusation hurt Ben more than a slap would. The accusation. Who accused whom of what? Do you remember from part 1? Mrs. Grady she accused whom? She accused Mrs. Levine or Oma, Benjamin's grandmother, of what? Of stealing her fur coat. So Benjamin said, "That's not true. She paid off the mortgage with money we saved." Sheriff Leon sighed. "Where is the paper trail?" "What do you mean?" "Papers, receipts, passbooks," the sheriff said. "Documents proving that the money was saved." Documents, okay? Here we have the word documents, which means papers. Look, I know many people distrust banks these days. If your grandmother saved her money somewhere else, I need to see proof. Proof, okay? Something that proves that she paid the mortgage with money she saved and she didn't steal the coat and sell it. Benjamin stared at the floor, chewing his lip and thinking of the evenings Oma carefully wrote the numbers on tablet paper. He'd drawn the map on the back of that paper. This was their paper trail, but it didn't prove she hadn't stolen the coat. He thought of their hard work and remembered Oma saying, "All we can do is the best we can do." Ben sighed. "The best I can do, Sheriff, is to show you the records we keep." He hurried into Omar's room and returned with a book on gardening. When he opened it, a piece of tablet paper fluttered out. On one side of the paper was a long list of words and numbers. Ben read some aloud. June 5. Sold 4 dozen eggs to the diner. 80 cents. June 7. Cleaned Miss Smith's attic and cellar. $1.60. Ben handed the paper to the sheriff. It's all there. The produce from our garden, the things we have produced. Errands I ran and chores I did. Laundry and cleaning, Oma did. Now what's the clue of this part? Clue of part one was the accusation that Mrs. Grady suspects Oma stole her coat and sold it to pay off her mortgage. What's the clue in this part? Sheriff Leon asked for proof that Oma saved money and Benjamin gave it to him. So Benjamin proved to Sheriff Leon that Oma paid off the mortgage with money she saved, that she didn't actually steal Mrs. Grady's coat.